My name is Dominic. I'm in the CNC and Machining Technologies course here at NIC, and I'm a Metallica Scholar.
Give me fuel, give me fire, give me that which I desire. Ooh.
Aside from being a Metallica superfan, the money has helped me afford my commuting costs and new winter tires for my car because we are dealing with ice up here in North Idaho. Being a Metallica fan and receiving this gift from them has been a really exciting experience, and in addition to that, I have a dream of one day repaying them with perhaps making them on a CNC machine something music related or some kind of rad guitar or something like that. Maybe actually somehow give to them would be pretty cool. Being a student here at the Parker campus and this machining program has been a wonderful learning experience, and we've got incredible brand new machines in here. This is a multi-million-dollar facility, and it's probably one of the best in the region, if not the West Coast. Upon completion of the program here, my long-term goal is to open my own shop, either doing prototyping or making something that aligns with my hobbies, but there will probably be a period where I'm going to work at another shop, get more experience, and help finance that endeavor. Being here in the North Idaho College has been a really great experience. I'm learning a lot, and we have a really beautiful facility here with lots of new machines, and we'd love to see some more folks in here. My name is Dominic. I'm in the CNC and Machining Technologies program, and I'm a Metallica Scholar.